Hey there, Monopoly Go enthusiasts. Ever found yourself stuck and frustrated because of a Monopoly Go error code 5? It's a common hiccup many players experience, but don't worry, we're here to help. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to fix Monopoly Go error code 5 with simple step-by-step solutions that will get you back to enjoying the game in no time. Step 1. Restart your device. The first and simplest step to tackle Monopoly Go error code 5 is to restart your device. Rebooting can refresh your system, clear any temporary glitches, and solve minor issues causing the error. Turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then power it back on. Once rebooted, open Monopoly Go and check if the error persists. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for online gaming. Error code 5 in Monopoly Go can often stem from a weak or unstable connection. Start by ensuring your Wi-Fi or mobile data is active and functioning properly. You can also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if the connection issue resolves. If you're still encountering the problem, consider rebooting your router or contacting your internet service provider for assistance. Step 3. Update the Monopoly Go app. Always make sure you're running the latest version of the Monopoly Go app. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Head to your device's app store, search for Monopoly Go, and see if an update is available. If so, download and install it. Then try relaunching the game. Head to your device's app store, search for Monopoly Go, and see if an update is available. If so, download and install it. Then try launching the game again to see if the error has been resolved. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Over time, accumulated cache and data can cause apps to malfunction. Clearing these can help fix Monopoly Go error code 5. If you're using an Android device, go to Settings, Apps, Monopoly Go, Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. For iOS devices, you'll need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache, as iOS doesn't offer a direct way to do this. Make sure to back up your game progress if needed before reinstallation. Step 5. Check for system updates. Sometimes system incompatibilities can lead to error code. Ensure your device's operating system is up to date, as updates often include compatibility improvements and bug fixes. On Android, go to Settings, System, System Updates, and on iOS, go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates and restart your device before opening Monopoly Go. Step 6. Reinstall the game. If you've tried all the steps and the error persists, consider reinstalling Monopoly Go. Uninstall the app from your device, then visit your app store to download and install it again. This process can resolve deeper issues within the app that ordinary troubleshooting may not fix. Just remember to save your game progress through a cloud account if the game supports it, to avoid losing any achievements. Monopoly Go error code 5 can be a frustrating roadblock, but with these methods, you'll be back on track in no time. From checking your internet connection to reinstalling the app, these fixes are designed to address the most common sources of the error. Always ensure your apps and devices are up to date to minimize such disruption. With these steps, you'll have more time to focus on building your empire and enjoying the game. Don't let a pesky error stop your winning streak. Happy gaming.